Hello students, good morning to all of you. How are you all? Okay, you all are fine. Our today's lecture is only for our nursery kids. Okay, so our today's lecture name is alphabet. Okay, so you all are know that how many letters in a alphabet? How many letters in a alphabet? Yes, 26 letters in a alphabet. How many letters in a alphabet? 26 letters in a alphabet. Okay, so you all are know that how can we write alphabets A to Z. How can we write in your 4-line notebook A to Z? Okay, so today I will teach you how to write alphabet in your 4-line notebooks. Okay, so there is your 4-line notebook. Okay everyone, there is your 4 lines notebook. How many lines are there? How many lines are there? Count these lines. 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 lines. One line is remaining now. So this is one line. So now count these lines. How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 blue lines there and 2 red lines there. Okay, so there are 4 lines. Now today I will show you how can we write A letter first. Okay, so how can we write A? How can we write A? There is a slanting line. There is a slanting line. Then another slanting line here and one slipping line here. That is called A. Which letter is this? A. Okay. So now I will show you how can we write A in your 4-line notebook. Okay. In your 4-line notebook, A letter we can write only upper 3 line. Only upper 3 lines. Okay. Not write down line. Okay. So there is a slanting line, only upper 3 line. Okay, remember that the thing, we can write only upper 3 line. Okay, that there is a slanting line, then another one slanting line, and there is a one little slipping line. That is called A. Okay, so now can you tell me which letter come after A? Which letter come after A? Yes, there is a B. Which letter come after A? After A comes B. Yes, very good. So how can we write B? How can we write B? There is a standing line, half circle. You all know that na, how to write half circle. Half circle and another half circle. That is called B. Yes, very good. B for ball. Now we can write here only upper, how many lines? 3 lines. Yes, very good. There is a standing line, half circle and another half circle. Very good. That is B. Yes, very good. Now can you tell me students, which letter come after B? Which letter come after B? Yes, that is C come after B. Very good. C for cat. Very good. C letter come after B. So how can we write C? There is a very simple. Yes, only what is this? Only there is a one half circle. That is called C. Yes, and how can we write 4-line notebooks? C letter. There is only upper 3 lines, half circle. That is called C. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Yes, A for apple, B for ball, and C for cat. Very good. So students, can you tell me which letter come after C? Yes. Yes, there is a D. And how can we write D? There is a one standing line, and one half circle. Yes, very good. That is called D. So how can we write only upper 3 lines? How can we write in 4-line notebook D? Yes, only upper 3 lines. That is called D. One standing line there, and there is a one. Yes, there is a one half circle. That is called D. Yes, very good. Okay, so there are the letters A, B, C, D. Okay, we can write here A, B, C, D only upper. How many lines? 3 lines. Okay, that is your 4 lines notebook. Okay, so now we will see E letter. How can we write E letter? Yes, anyone can tell me? I will tell you, there is a standing line, then sleeping line, then another one short sleeping line, and then another long sleeping line. That is called, which letter is this? What is this? Which letter is this? E letter. That is called E. Okay, so now how can we write E letter in your 4-line notebook? How can we write E letter in your 4 lines notebook? Yes, only upper 3 lines. There is a standing line, there is a one sleeping line, another one sleeping line, and one another sleeping line. That is called E. Very good. Very proud of you to all of you. What is this? E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So now today another one thing. Okay students, now you all are know that how can we write in your 4-line notebook. Okay. So now today I will tell you one another thing, that is phonic sound. You all are know that the thing phonic sound. You don't know, na? Yes, you are only nursery students. That's why you don't know how to say N letter phonic sound. Okay, I will tell you. This is, what is this? This letter is, which letter is this? A. So how can we say A in phonic sound? What is this? A. How can we say in phonic sound? A. What is this? A. Okay. Then another thing, that is B. How can we say in phonic sound B? B. B. What is this? B. Okay. So now this is the C. How can we say C? S. S. Say loudly. S. Okay. S. Then how? This is D. How can we say D in phonic sound? D. D. What is this? The. Okay. And then last one is, here is the last letter is E. How can we say E in phonic sound? A. What is this? A. Okay. So how can we say in phonic sound A? A. A. Yes. Then how can we say in phonic sound B? B. Okay. Remember that the thing, that is most important thing. Okay everyone. Phonic sound is the most important thing. Okay. So B, B, B. A, B, B, B. C, K, K. Then D, 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 D. Then E, A. Yes, A. Okay. So that is the phonic sound. Now in the next lecture I will tell you another letters. Okay, which letter come after E? F. So I will tell you how can we write F in your 4-line notebook, and how can we say in phonic sound F. Okay. So now bye all of you everyone. Bye.